Good day, welcome to another video by WonderTino. How is time going for you? And time is going really fast and has no intention of slowing down. Today's prompt is labyrinth. What can I come up with here? Oh, let's make it a densely built city. So I come up with the idea that today it will be all architecture, no characters. You can really get lost in such a place and walk in cycles. Of course, I haven't forgot Chinchilla Advent Calendar. Has a very absurd damage today. I don't know how, but one of them bite off a piece of the stand for the graphic tablet. I am devastated by what happened in my absence. Maybe today's episode will be a bit of a tutorial. I will need a ruler today and then we will see. What I am going to show you can probably be found in any book for learning how to draw architecture from different perspectives. It's definitely easier than drawing characters in perspective than architecture. If you can draw a cube in 3D, there is a chance that it will be easier to learn, although I do not promise that it will be quick, because there may be various problems encountered by beginners in drawing, such as not fully understanding what to do in given situation. As you can see, the first line is the horizontal line. Here in this place, the buildings flatten out completely. The lower you go, the more we see from a bird's eye view, and the buildings above the horizontal line will resemble the view as if it happened at the bottom. Besides, look what will happen on those lines that intersect these 2 points. This is actually a 2-point perspective technique, but you can add more points. But I also do not find any use for it in my work for now. It all depends on where you place the horizontal line at the beginning, whether high on the paper or very low, and where the points will be, because they don't have to be spaced as far apart as I have. Generally, I found this technique on some YouTube video, so if you liked it, I recommend finding a suitable channel for yourself that will explain it more academically. Now you can see that these additional lines that I made are used to help outline the dynamics of the building's perspective, curving them to look like we are flying. I didn't plan on it, it won't even have occurred to me to do the whole drawing with the ruler. I already have my own experiences, so I will tell you why. First of all, working with the ruler takes me much longer for measuring and applying. Secondly, there is always a risk that you will accidentally smudge the illustration. In my case, it is highly risky because I draw with a nib which sometimes leaves too much ink on the paper that I don't notice. I already know how to draw freehand enough that I can more or less make the lines on the building straight. If you feel like it and have time, you can do it with a ruler. As you can see, I don't do it like that. A city is a city, I draw it freehand, I don't have any references, just boxes are enough for me because nowadays architecture is just boring. That I draw details from memory that I sometimes see in big cities, more in movies. What? No, these are not the World Trade Center towers. I didn't even thought about it. I just draw and somehow there are 2 towers now. In my Silesia cities, there is a great architectural wealth, and I am always happy to discover some cool, very old tenement houses that almost look like to be taking part in a competition to see which one is more sophisticated in design than the other. Even on some totally random street in Chorzów where I live, you will find some beautiful gem, even a hand-carved old-fashioned door. Just look at this. This is some random street somewhere in the middle of nowhere. Okay, I am satisfied. It's not perfect, so I will be finishing the video now. I hope you liked it and you got something from this episode. Personally, it's very useful for me in creating backgrounds in comics without much effort. So thanks for watching and see you in 2 days again. Bye.